Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. First card today is There is nothing my holiness cannot do. Your holiness reverses all the laws of the world. It is beyond every restriction of time, space, distance, and limits of any kind. Divine is limitless. Divine is infinite. Divine grace can change anything, anywhere. Now let's look at the second card. Transformation. Things are changing at a cellular level. Deep healing. You are not who you were a year ago or who you soon will be. You are in between, emerging, half risen, half falling. Keep doing the work. You are transforming. You will look back at this time with awe. So much is happening in your inner world and within yourselves. It's time to release old ways of being that have kept you in fight or flight or freeze mode. To choose a new way of being where trauma is not the driving force. Our childhood patterns are rising up to be healed. As you allow yourself to observe them and feel them without attachment, they loosen their grip and fall away. You are being called to find new ways to self-soothe. Saturn and the Black Madonna and the African goddess Oshun influence this card. Saturn represents destruction and transformation. The Black Madonna represents the underground and all that has been cast aside. And Oshun represents the tender love of the original mother. A rethreading is happening, healing at the deepest level. While you are in this phase, don't put yourself under pressure to perform. You may need to review your relationship with your body, perhaps even shifting your diet or exercise regime or getting energetic healing support. You may also need to consider some kind of emotional support as issues from your childhood may come up to be healed. You are deeply loved. So hold your hands on the heart portal and say, I allow myself to receive the deepest healing and transformation for change to happen at a cellular level. A lot is happening in the world right now, and we all are ascending into higher vibration as Earth, as a planet. There are a lot of these traumas and patterns, especially childhood traumas, patterns that are coming to the surface to be released. There's a lot that is coming to the surface that no longer serves you. And this is a time to rewire your mind and change at deep cellular level. This may require some healing support, and this may require some change in diet and exercise for you. Allow this to happen. Allow yourself to receive this deepest healing and transformation. DNA activation is happening on the planet now as we are ascending, and light codes and starseed codes are coming. Allow yourself to receive all of these. That's today's message. God is always with you, and the divine blessings and miracles are with you. Lots of love.